Good evening, everyone. My name is Manisha. I'm a mind stylist, a past life regression therapist, and a soulful image coach. Today, I have here with me action coach, Mr. Harish Mehta, who is an international uh, keynote speaker, a mentor, who has been a super successful business man and now a business coach who works with internationally he works with a lot of CEOs and businessmen and helping them with what it you say take action and so that you can perform to your highest potential. So uh, Mr. Harish Mehta and me, we are coming up with a course called Survive to Thrive, which we are starting on the 1st of May. I'm here with Mr. Harish Mehta to discuss uh, and let you know what this course is about. So, Harish, sir, I would like to ask you, uh, what what do you think was the idea behind uh, Strive to Survive? Survive to Thrive, sorry.
Manisha, I'll give you a little background about this.
Thank you.
On the 7th of March, I conducted my public seminar in a banquet hall, in a conference hall in Cochin.
Okay,
And thereafter, I came back to Mumbai and gave my first session on the 22nd of March
okay.
across a TV screen. So, what has transpired between then and today?
Mm,
I wish to re educate those people.
mm,
I've been giving webinars every day.
mm.
I wish to re educate the people that this is the time of your life. You need to look at yourself. A,
Yes.
how to survive the 90 days during this period, what you need to learn and what you need to unlearn, what you need to do with yourself, with your family,
Mm,
with your children,
mm.
and in case you are an individual, what you need to do to grow yourself in these 90 days, which the universe has gifted you. So, individual, business owners, leadership, ownership, and management.
Okay.
These 90 days are A, first to survive, and then post the COVID, once the lockdown opens, what tools, what mindsets, what you need to carry with you, that new you should shape up during these 90 days. That's the purpose of my changing people's life by engaging with their minds in a 6 session program, Survive to Thrive and Leap to a New You post the 90 days.
Okay, great. I think it's a very very good, well thought of program. My next question, sir, is who do you think this program is for? Who do you think should be wanting to attend this program?
I wish each and every person attends it, but for those who are sleeping, either you will continue to sleep and perish post the 90 days, or you can wake up today and raise your bar. Learn so that you can earn more and you can adapt to the changes which will happen in your life and the surroundings around you. The new habits that will be built in these 90 days by people
Yes.
is unbelievable. Either people will be able to sprint and run and take over,
Yes.
the ability to move their mindset in these 90 days is what I am challenging them and taking them through. And I also mentioned all those who are hungry for growth, this is the best time to learn so that you can create a new position in your life for yourself and create that new you. That's the purpose of my Survive to Thrive. And for this, individuals, business owners, leaders, CEOs, and also those people who are struggling today in the terms of unprecedented what has happened
Yes.
to create a new life out of this crisis,
Yes.
learn to lead better, and opportunities are there
Hmm.
to grow yourself and grow your leadership,
Yes.
grow your team in these 90 days. So I'm going to coach them, mentor them, teach them
Hmm.
how to change the way they think, listen, and do.
Uh, very, very well. So one question that comes to my mind as we speak is that you have said stay hungry. What do you mean when you say stay hungry?
All those people who have been struggling to say, I am busy,
Hmm.
I have too much to do in life before this COVID.
Hmm.
Now they do not know what to do. So look at yourself
Yes.
and find out why are you here
Yes.
and what do you want in life.
Yes.
So when you define your why and your what comes up, what do you want? When I ask those questions to people,
Yes.
many things that they need to do, and they always found excuses not to do.
Yes.
So today, when I say, what do you them, write their purpose, define them
Yes.
what they need to become, and I take them on the journey as the how-to guy. Take them on the journey to get what you want.
Okay.
And I must say here, in life, you get what you want when you know what you want.
True.
And when you know what you want well enough, it's waiting to happen. So this is the purpose of my doing the 6-day program, 6 sessions spread over from the 1st of May onwards with you along. And I want to teach them, mentor them, influence them to shift their mind from a scarcity mind to an abundant mind. That's the purpose of doing this. And now we are all abundant because we can sit at home and do this in front of our TV screen or the computer screen and visualize and materialize our dreams.
Thank you very much, sir. I would like to add out here, this program is always also to for all those people who are right now feeling that they are struggling or just about surviving. Uh, to anyone individual, it could be for a businessman, it could be for someone who is working jobs, or it could be uh, even a housewife or someone working from home, for anybody who feels.
I will add here,
Yes, sir.
I will add here all individuals, be it a man or a woman, all employees, be it a man or a woman, all business owners, all leaders need to look at themselves, who they are today, not what they were yesterday. And from today, who they are and what they need to do today to address tomorrow. And tomorrow is very uncertain. Every single day, it's shaping and taking a new course. So,
True.
how do you manage your mind
True.
in these times? And how do you bring that confidence, that unstoppability in you to learn and grow? And when you grow your mind, you learn a lot of new things which are available to you, which is called imagination. The purpose of imagination is you can think and then you can decide, is that what you want? And when you decide what you want, you get what you want. And the universe is waiting to help you get what you want.
Very true.
So, contrast to desire and desire to fulfillment via clarity.
Very true. Very true, sir.
That's the journey I want to take people. So give them clarity from confusion state, which is today. Take them to desire and burning desire. And finally, look at the destination which you have decided is waiting for you to reach. That's fulfillment.
Very true, sir. So, so I would like to tell all of you all that tomorrow we are going to be live on Insta on my Instagram handle, soulful.imagecoach. And here we are going to take up all questions that you may have related to the course, or anything that, even if you feel that you are stuck wherever you are, you're unsure about, you're going, you want to take up this course, whether you want to take it up or not. But even if whatever situation you are in and you feel that you need to speak with someone, we are here for you. So tomorrow we're going to be live at 6 p.m. on
And
Instagram.
I'm happy to add here, please feel free to ask any question. It
Absolutely.
may be small, big, large, or stupid, doesn't matter. As long as you want to learn so that you can bring clarity to your mind that, yes, this is what I deserve, and what you deserve is going to be served by the universe. That's my promise. And
Absolutely.
being a law of attraction trainer, a mind map trainer, a business and executive coach, an influencer, it's my duty to help you in these times and see to it that you are ready to sprint post this distancing once the lockdown gets over. Thank you for listening, and looking forward to meet you all tomorrow.
Thank you very much, Harish sir. Tomorrow we meet at 6 p.m. on Instagram, and let's use this lockdown to open our minds and to create an abundant, wonderful life for ourselves. Thank you very much.
Thank you.